Ultimate Racer Santa Ana Park. Way they go. Survey pass to begin. Running by the rail is Makisig. And moving up from the outside, Speed Up Firm. On the federal side is Blue Art. Then followed in by Victory Joe. Surround Sound of Fire. While on this round is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Survey, chased by a leg, followed by Makisig. And rushing up, Speed Up Firm, Blue Art, racing in 4 by 2. And on the outside, 1A, Victory Joe. And moving up now on this round of fire, working towards the back. Survey, followed by Speed Up Firm. And racing on the outside, Victory Joe, running by Daryl Makisig. Blue Art racing in 5th by Daryl of Fire. Surround Sound, passing the half mile. Survey by a leg. And on the outside now, Victory Joe. Running in the middle is Speed Up Firm. Running by Daryl Portis, Makisig, and Blue Art. Rounding the far turn, Victory Joe, 1A, leads by a leg, followed by Speed Up Firm. Survey Makisig, moving up from the outside. About to pass the last 400, Victory Joe, running by the Speed Up Firm. And Makisig now running in third. As the race, the final corner, Victory Joe by some 2 lengths. Speed Up Firm is running on the inside. And on the outside is Makisig. And down the straight, they come still Victory Joe. Speed Up Firm, Blue Art is on the outside. And still Victory Joe, Speed Up Firm, Blue Art. And finally 1A, Victory Joe, Blue Art, Speed Up Firm, Surround Sound, Makisig. And this round, number 5, Survey and up 5.
Perfect natin, 1763, 1,659.80. Trifecta 176, 239.60. Forecast 17, 210.50. At yung double na 51, 82 pesos.
So win naman ng uno, 27.50 plus 13 pesos. Plus yun ang 7, 5.50. Hindi plus 1, 3, 5, 1, 42.80. XD.